So in the morning, what I usually do is get up and meditate. That's the first thing that I do. And then I move to a greens juice. And I make it a little bit differently every day. It's usually things that are more helpful for digestion and vibrancy. For example, ginger in a juice. It's fantastic for digestion. Lemon, which alkalinizes. Cucumbers, which so hydrating for the body, and kale, of course, which has a lot of nutrient density to it. Stress affects all of our systems negatively in the body. It can inhibit good digestion and production of happy hormones. They say that your gut is really the second brain. It's where we make serotonin, and stress can really impact the gut negatively. Juice is a nice way to start the day. It's a real stress reducer.